Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how we can change the scope value. Now we can understand using example. We have one virtual thread and we pass here scope value and create one instance of scope example and initialize this instance as a Mayur. Now I run this example. Now value is Mayur. My scope value is a runnable thread and I access value in a run method. Now I run, I change value of this value. For that I again create one virtual thread. Here start virtual thread and again scope value, copy here and I try to access here, change the value. Change username to David. Okay, I create one function private void change user and print out here s out change username to David value dot get. Now I call this function from here. Now what we do here, first create a scope example which is runnable, means is a thread, and the run method, inside the run method I get the scope value first, and again in a star virtual method I change the this scope value, my scope value again change to David and call the change user. Means inside the scope value class I create one method change user and print your scope value instance, and for verifying scope value is changed or not, so it is right inside the thread class. So now main method I create one instance and first I create the values of Mayur and apply in a thread. It is execute. First it is a print here value Mayur and again change the user name of value and call this change user function and it is print here. Now we can run this program and verify it is a change or not. Now we can see here first it is initialize Mayur here and it is print in a thread class in a run method, and I change that value and change username to David and call this function to verify using print it is changed or not. So it is print and change. So this way we can also change the value of scope value.